The Viking Age is thought to have come to an end in the 11th century. Of course, the precise date and circumstances are subject to debate. Historians often highlight the defeat of Harald Hardrada at the Battle of Stamford Bridge in 1066 as a mark of the end of the Viking Age. Vikings were famed as a society that was known for their seafaring and exploration skills, as well as the raids launched to plunder many coastal settlements. As the Viking Age came to a close, many Viking communities began to settle and integrate into the societies they had previously raided. One of the factors that contributed to the end of the Viking Age was the conversion of Scandinavia to Christianity. Beginning in the 10th century, Christian missionaries from Germany and England began to establish churches in Scandinavia, gradually replacing the Old Norse religion. This had a profound impact on Viking culture and society, as the new faith introduced new social norms, beliefs, and practices that clashed with traditional Viking values. Another factor was the consolidation of powerful states in Europe, such as the Holy Roman Empire, the Kingdom of France, and the Kingdom of England. These states were able to establish stronger defenses against Viking raids and expeditions, and in some cases, actively sought to counter Viking aggression. The decline of Viking power and influence can also be attributed to internal factors, such as the fragmentation of the Scandinavian kingdoms and the decline of the Viking warrior aristocracy. Despite these factors, the legacy of the Viking Age lived on, both in the cultural traditions of the Scandinavian peoples and in the historical record of their interactions with other societies. Their legacy can be seen today in everything from place names and family surnames to art, literature, and folklore.